Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Scrapbook.com is hosting a Creative Kindness Fundraiser from March 24th through April 7th, 2025. And if you've never heard of the Creative Kindness Foundation, they're a nonprofit organization that spreads kindness to millions of people across the world using handmade cards. Creative Kindness loves receiving your beautiful handmade cards, but they also need monetary donations to help send out all those cards. Every $25 donated helps them send 250 cards to individuals that could use that little extra kindness. And right now during the Creative Kindness Fundraiser, for a $35 or more donation, you'll receive a special kit filled with fun, crafty goodies. Each kit is valued at $68, and it will include 3 stamps, paper, 3 mini ink cubes, embossing powder, and sequins. I was sent a sample of the kit to give you an idea of what you may receive. You will not get the exact items that I'm showing you. So in my kit, I received 10 sheets of blue cardstock. And this is a nice heavy weight. Here's the beautiful sequin pack, and they really filled up my bag. I love these beautiful colors. I also received a pack of pearls and gems from Hero Arts. You can never have too many embellishments. I love the colors on this set. Great for springtime. And here's a look at the 3 stamp sets I received. I love the variety of sets I received. You could use them throughout the year. This first smaller set is a bunch of birthday images and sentiments. And many of the products you'll receive in the bundle do not have the original packaging, but these are all brand new. The stamp sets have not been used. The next stamp set I received has this lovely floral design, a couple of sentiments, and a sweet bee image. And the last set has a betta fish, looks like a layered stamp, several different sentiments. I love the little bubble images. And all 3 stamp sets that I received are made by Hero Arts, so they're a really nice quality. Here's a look at the embossing powder I received. It doesn't have the name listed, but it looks like a rose gold color. I love rose gold. I think this color would work beautifully with the large floral stamp image. The last items in the bundle are 3 mini ink cubes. These are all by Hero Arts. The colors I received are cranberry, Aegean, and cotton candy. So that's everything in the special kit bundle I received, and it gives you an idea of what you could receive if you send in a $35 or more donation to Creative Kindness. You can find out more information about Creative Kindness on their website, creativekindness.org, and it's also linked through Scrapbook.com's website. I printed off this sheet from Scrapbook.com's website. Talks all about the Creative Kindness Foundation, who they are, what they do, how they got started, and how you can help by sending in donations and cards. This week is really focused on fundraising, so they're able to send out all those beautiful cards. Any support you can provide will help them continue their mission. And if you're also interested in sending some of your handmade cards, be sure to check out how you can volunteer. They have all the information on the website. And I have provided direct links in the description box if you want to donate or volunteer. The Creative Kindness Foundation's mission is to help people find happiness and healing through the creation and donation of handmade gifts. As a card maker, I fully support their mission. And right now we have an opportunity to help them even more with some monetary donations. For a $35 or more donation, you'll receive one of the special kit bundles. And here's another look at all the fun products I received in my special kit bundle. I'm excited to use these new products to make cards to send to Creative Kindness. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.